Today I'm going to show you a simple exercise you can do with your neck that will reduce your stress and improve your vision. Hi, I'm Bill, owner of BeyondFitnessOnline.com, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the logo right here and subscribe. Now today I want to show you a simple exercise that you can do anywhere by yourself, and it will reduce your stress and can improve your vision.
I like the sound of that.
In past videos, I've talked about right here that you can use vision exercises to reduce your stress because it goes into the midbrain, and the midbrain is where stress begins. Now here's what's really interesting, that there's more to the midbrain than just your eyes. The flexors in your neck can also stimulate that area and reduce stress. And I'm going to show you the simplest way you can possibly do this. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have no neck problems. You want to be able to bend your chin down, so you're tucking the chin down into your neck, and you want to be able to tilt your head this way and this way. If you cannot do those things, then that's the place to start. And I would suggest watching yourself in the mirror doing it, because a lot of people, they'll tilt this way and they'll start to turn their head. We don't want any rotation. It's got to be directly lateral or directly tucking the chin down. Now, if you have neck problems and you can't do that, then send me a message below and I'll show you some alternatives. Now, here's what we're going to do. We want to be able to do this, but resist it. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our hand on the forehead. We're going to go forward first. And we're going to try and do that same motion, tucking the chin down, giving ourselves resistance. And you hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then you relax. That can actually lower your stress levels. For some people, going laterally is better. And you could hold it that way, or you could hold it that way. Now, here's the deal. For most everybody, one of those three ways is going to be better than any other way. And I don't have time in this video to get into how to assess that, but you can try it out for yourself and see how you're feeling. If you have any questions, shoot me a message below. Don't forget to click right here and subscribe. And until next time, live healthy.